3 easy phonetic rules in Russian. 1. Endings ого, его. Example, a wish, have a good day. Хорошего дня. Хорошего дня. Or, good morning. Доброго утра. Доброго утра. And if you want to learn Russian, check out the link in my bio and don't miss a special holidays offer. Second rule, unstressed O. When O is unstressed, it's pronounced as A. For example, окно. Окно. The first O is unstressed and pronounced as A. Окно. Rule 3. Voiced consonants at the end of words are becoming voiceless. For example, year, год, год. There is D at the end, but we pronounce T. Год.